Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. This is nice sunny morning here and I am ready with some interesting recipe. So this is called egg rolls. As you can see, I have done some veggies, then egg white and then the egg yolk layers. Interesting recipe I thought of sharing with you. So this is very healthy. Again, there is nothing much, just eggs, bunch of vegetables and of course some oil and some flavoring. So let's see how to make these beautiful, colorful, healthy egg rolls. Let's check out the ingredients. Alright, let's start with the egg roll recipe. I have chopped the green bell pepper, red bell pepper, I have oregano, black pepper, olive oil and salt, and of course we need eggs. So I have the yolk separator, egg white, the skillet. Okay, so my skillet is now hot and I have turned it to low now. So let's add the egg yolk. Now fun part is adding those green and red bell peppers. Almost done, so I have this roll ready. Just going to push it over to the other side. Scrape the pan, add some oil for the yellow portion of it. Grease with the oil. And time for the yellow portion. Just pour it on the rest of the pan. Okay, once you see our egg, yellow part of the egg is getting cooked, I'm gonna start folding the white into the egg. Do not forget to hit like button, share with your friends and family. This is something unique and I'm sure your family and your kids will love it, and of course very healthy recipe. So enjoy this and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.